Hey guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Just sitting on the beach, chilling with this dog and enjoying the cool breeze and the sounds coming out from the waves. It's a pretty foggy morning. And the beach is completely empty. It's like very peaceful. Only thing that you can hear is the waves, the sound from coming out from the waves. So this dog apparently dug a pit for itself, a small pit, and it made itself cozy and is chilling out along with me. So my friends have already taken their luggage to the parking space where we have parked our bikes. So we have to tie our luggages to the bike, which is a pain in the ass, seriously. So I'll have to take my luggage and rush to the parking lot as well. But I don't feel like getting out from the beach itself. It's so calm and so peaceful, right? You'll not feel like going away from that place. Hi, bye. Good morning. So I've got my luggages. This is bag number 1, bag number 2. My friends have already started tying. It's done. See the amount of sweat that I have on my face.
Drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only a day. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise.
It's time to say goodbye to Gokarna. This gentleman right here is a solo rider all the way from Kannur. So he's ridden all the way from Kannur to Gokarna, and this is his 9th time, right?
Yes,
He's coming here for the 9th time. He really likes the vibe that he gets in this place, so he travels often here. He was a nice companion. He stayed along with us for the past 2 days. So you're heading back to your native now?
yes, correct.
Okay, how far is it from here?
500 kilometers.
Okay, it's 580 kilometers from Gokarna. Nice meeting you, bro.
Hey.
We are heading out of Gokarna on our way to Kudremukh. So Kudremukh is about 300 kilometers from here. On our way, I think we'll be going to Murudeshwara. So this is the gentleman who I spoke to some time back. He is riding all the way to Andhra now. Sometimes riding solo is also fun. You get to explore yourself, get to know yourself better, enjoying your own company. Oh, there's national anthem going on, I guess. I think it's not yet started. And by the way, happy Independence Day, guys. So this video is being recorded on August 15th. So we can consider this as an Independence Day ride. We'll see if we can find an Indian flag on the way so that we can like somewhere place it on our bike. That'll be really cool, right? The weather is pretty chilled, very nice to ride. Whoa, 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 whoa. That cow was like, fuck you bitch, this is my road. Oh, even this guy was about to do the same. If you guys are enjoying my videos, please do subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and also drop in a comment if you want me to improvise on something. I'm up for all the suggestions that I can get, and I'm still taking baby steps in the world of vlogging and YouTube. So any suggestions would be really helpful for me. It started to rain now. We have a problem right here. We don't know if it is a flat tire or is it just less air in it. So right now we are using an air inflator to fill some air, and this is one of the major reason that I am thinking twice to go for an Himalayan. Just imagine if you're out on some hill station all alone, you're going on a solo ride and you have a flat tire. That would be the last thing that you would want to happen. Flat tire ah? Ah. We spent a good 45 minutes to 1 hour repairing this punctured tire. It's fixed right now. Time to continue our journey to Kudremukh. So we stopped by to buy some Indian flags. बोलो भारत माता की. Wish you all once again a happy Independence Day. That is the main entrance to Murudeshwara. Coming here on an Independence Day will be surely memorable. I guess we'll not be going inside the temple because of the rules. The temple would be closed, I guess. Dude, these cows are like on a next level thug life. Can you see the statue there? This looks amazing, guys, seriously. Sunday ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು, ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮುಂಚೆ? Bro, where are you cycling from? Where are you cycling from? ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಸಂಡೆ ಅದು? So he's riding in his bicycle all the way from Kota, which is 90 kilometers from here.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark.
Would love to visit this temple again and go inside. So this time we didn't get a chance because the temple is closed due to the COVID restrictions. So many boats. Bunny, Sandy.